Hi, I'm Jeff Merrill from JMYS. This is another trawler skills video. I hope you'll pick up some tips, learn something helpful, and I'll see you out on the water. Hi, Jeff Merrill aboard Red Rover, the Nordon 55 with Kevin Jeffries. Kevin, trawler tools is a topic that we could probably spend more time than needed, but I see you have your tool bag here. Tell me what tools you have and why you have them and which ones are most commonly used.
Absolutely, Jeff. Aboard Red Rover, we have an extensive collection of tools. Most of them, or quite a few of them that we don't use on a daily basis, are located in toolboxes down in the lazarette. My most common tools that I go to day in, day out for projects, for something that goes wrong, or
service repairs, whatever, yeah.
I keep in this tool bag. It is maybe on a touch larger size. I completed an electronics refit for Red Rover last spring, and I wanted to make sure I had all the tools that I was using on that.
Can't have too many tools in a big enough tool bag.
Absolutely.
All right.
So anyways, very, very easy to grab and move around. Lots of pockets, lots of zippers and such. So on this side, I keep most of the screwdrivers that I use on a daily basis, the three sizes of Phillips and flatheads, the small things for electronics.
Long reach, stubby, short reach.
And there's, yes, stubbies.
Yeah. It'd be nice if everything could be all flathead or all Phillips or all metric or all imperial, but you really have to have one or two of everything, don't you?
You do. There's so many components on these boats.
I see you've got an extendable mirror.
For checking under the engine or other parts in behind panels of the boat.
You know, surveyors find this a very popular tool, and it is something you get a visual on places that you don't normally see. So, all right, what do you have on the other side?
Other side, wrenches, pliers, ratchets, scissors, Allen head wrenches in both metric and imperial. My driver set for my soon-to-be-seen power tool selection, electrical tape, knife. There's a flashlight in here. So needle nose,
wire strippers,
dikes,
yeah, everything.
You name it.
You know, you mentioned a nut driver earlier, and I find that's a very common, popular tool for tightening hose clamps.
This one is a ratchet one, so it works very quickly.
Good.
Very
all right, what's in the middle?
Very useful tools in here is the electrical multimeter.
Oh, multimeter. Yes, yes. Very good for diagnosis. See what's going on with your electrical.
They can be used for endless amount of things. So not the cheapest one is probably the best thing to go. So, but you don't have to.
You don't want to save money on that, but you need to make sure that it does work, right?
Absolutely.
Good. Okay.
Standard electrical drill.
I see the nose arc syndrome here too of everything. Okay. Yeah.
A flashlight that uses the Makita batteries. It's self-standing and great for projects in dark and tight corners. We have clamshells of both drill bits and driver bits, a variety of sizes. Zip ties. Lots of zip ties seem to always need to hold things in place. Have even longer screwdrivers and a variety of larger pliers and such down in the bottom here.
This is kind of like the magician pulling things out of the hat. I love it. Is there a rabbit in there?
Not yet.
Okay.
That's in the other pocket.
All right, good. So Kevin, we're in your lazarette now and you have a few more toolboxes here. What are we looking at?
I have 4 toolboxes here, kind of broken down into specialized tools. I have some other tools stowed away in other areas. Right here is our electrical focused box, connectors, crimps and such, testers, and other drawers of tools. Next one here is my standard drive sockets and wrenches, 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive in various sizes, extensions, wrenches, and ratchets. Up front here I have specialized pipe wrenches and hammers, dead blow hammer. I have
The big channel locks too.
yes, channel locks, pulling type tool.
Good, thank you. Well, we could go on and on. I think the point is that there are a lot of tools you need on a trawler. Kevin and I actually collaborated a while back ago. I wrote an article for Ocean Navigator magazine with a list of the tools. If you'd like to get a copy of that list, we have it on the JMYS.com website. We'll probably be continually updating it. It includes a lot of these small tools as well as things like wetbacks and coat hanger. You can bend the wire to fish something out, a turkey baster for use when you're siphoning out diesel from a racor. There's a lot of regular store-bought tools and other things you can use to improvise. Once you're on a boat and away from the dock, you need to be able to be somewhat self-sufficient, and having a good collection of tools is very important. Thanks, Kevin.
Thank you for coming by, Jeff.
All right. Hi, trawler fans. Thank you for watching the JMYS YouTube video channel. You can subscribe by clicking the button below. And if you'd like to watch one of our other listings or check out one of our other trawler skills videos, you can click on one of those on the side. Thanks, and we hope to see you back here again soon.